So by now you should have already listened to the story, How to Babysit a Grandpa. There is a link in the Monday folder. If you haven't listened to the story, How to Babysit a Grandpa, go ahead and do that right now. Once you listen to the story, How to Babysit a Grandpa, we know that the little boy is in fact, as he says, babysitting his grandpa and tells us different things that he does in order to babysit his grandpa. Okay? So now what I want you to do is I want you to close your eyes and think of things that you are good at doing. Okay? We will be doing procedural writing, which that means is how to do things. So we are going to teach people how to do things we are good at. So what I want you to do is think of several things you are good at. Once you have thought about those things you are good at, I want you to get your writing journal and I want you to title it My Expert List. Things you are an expert at. And I know you are good at doing different things. So Mr. Lozano is going to make a list of things she's good at. And the first thing I am going to write is making a ponytail. I think I practice this with my daughter a lot, almost every day. I think I'm good at it, and I think I can teach people the steps on how to make a ponytail. Another thing that Miss Lozano is good at is I can also teach people how to brush my teeth. I do this on a daily basis, several times a day, so I think I'm an expert at this. So I think I can teach people the steps on how to brush my teeth. And I am going to add one more thing. I can make a peanut butter sandwich. Okay? These are some things that I am good at that I can teach people by giving them steps on how to do these things. So I want you to make your own expert list. Once you are done, what I want you to do is I want you to go into your writing tile, go into week of November 30th, go into Monday. You're going to click on the link and you are going to take a picture of this list and submit it on Seesaw. Okay? I can't wait to see your list.